Alright guys, I ordered the Mavic Air, actually pre-ordered it, and it shipped out the 28th, and I got it on the 30th, which was yesterday. I've been so busy, I'm actually got a lot of stuff going on and moving and stuff like that, so I was so busy I could not get to this yesterday. As bad as I wanted to, couldn't get to it. I'm gonna do your typical unboxing, and we'll see what's in it. I'm gonna do a test flight, but right now I'm pretty excited as to what we got. 2-day shipping. I was pretty happy about that. Didn't have to wait. Now I was at my store, which is right near an airport, which is an NFZ, no fly zone. Ooh. All right. There it is. Hello. Hello. Let's get this bad boy out of here. What's this? Very important paper. A picking list. Nice. There she blows. I got the black. As you can see, they got the little star right there. Don't need this. The Mavic Air, baby. Now, I didn't get this because I'm not a celebrity, so I didn't get this thing pre-whatever, pre-shipping, pre-release. I didn't get it. But that's also going to tell you that I'm not going to fillet DJI. If this thing's no good, I'm gonna let you know. I'm just not gonna focus on the cool things and ignore what sucks about it. Now, I really wanted to get the Mavic Platinum because of that 30-minute flight time. The reason why, the first drone I got was the Spark. Got the Fly More combo. I actually got 2 more batteries with the Fly More combo, but I lost it. It was running low and it started to return to home. I canceled my return to home thinking I could just take a couple more shots of this property, and then it just starts to auto land on me, and I see it auto landing and I'm starting to freak out because, you know, I've never crashed a drone. So that boy started to auto land in a big humongous oak tree. Huge oak tree. So I know exactly where it is because it's got the GPS feature. Well, we'll talk about this story later. So got the pretty sweet bag. Matches my dirty shirt from working in the warehouse all day. Nice bag. Another bag. No more bags. Well, that's pretty good. It's a fucking unboxing. I mean, everyone does unboxings. Who gives a shit, really, right? Wow, these feel cheap as shit. But I guess they have to. They gotta be light, right? For aerodynamicness. For engineering purposes. How much you want? I got 2 grams. Alright, drugs are bad, folks. The rest that was in here was just instructions. Oh, really? We'll do the instructions. I'll do a full page-by-page instruction reading. That will be in my 159th video. So you just wait for that one. This motherfucker. They never close the way they came out. They never feel the same like they did when you first. All right, never mind. So these are the prop guards. I got a little piece of. You know what? I was gonna say I'm never gonna use these, but I might use these. I'm actually doing a shoot at a very high-end car, indoor car dealership. You know, Lamborghini, Lambos, Ferraris. You know, the ghosts, all that good shit. So I'm probably gonna use this because I don't want to just tap in. It's a pretty tight space. They got the cars, you know, hundreds, $500,000 cars. So I'll probably use these prop guards indoors there, because if it does, you know, tap into a wall, I can give two shits about the $500,000 Lamborghinis. I don't want to damage my Mavic Air. So I probably will use these prop guards. So we'll put that in. Let's go to this box, because we already know what's in here, because every Joe Schmo did an unboxing already. But those bastards got paid for it, so, and I didn't. I gotta pay for my shit, so you know if I'm not happy. Oh, what the fuck is this? Oh shit, it's open, not sealed. Come on, Inspector. All right, propellers. These are your sync cables. I'm not even going to take it out. This is your other USB to whatever. Fucking, I don't know. I'm just going to stick it in the hole. If it fits, I'm putting it in. These are the joysticks and some other bullshit. This is a plastic, whatever. Oh shit. Remote. So you got the remote right here. What else? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna focus this motherfucking camera. So again, we got the remote, the propellers, the cable, this fucking cable. It's a nice little bag right here, though. I gotta be honest. This thing, this looks important. It's plastic and it's got them little gold things right there. That looks important. Don't lose that. This is the power fucking charger, whatever the fuck it is. Oh shit, this is a pretty nice little gig right here. Nice box. That's what he said, huh? Nice box. This is the cable. This goes to the cable, and then these are extra batteries. So it's a pretty sweet. Hey, that's a mayonnaise stain. So I was gonna get extra mayo on the $1 McChicken. All right, so we got pretty much all the good stuff. Batteries, charger, thing for the charger, plastic thing that looks expensive. I don't know what the fuck this is. Let's see, let's play some fucking origami bullshit. Nope. Oh shit, we got it. This goes like this. Now what? Kids, this is why. Oh shit. Oh shit, look at this. Oh, they're not playing around with this new battery charger now, folks. All right, so that opens up like that. That's gonna go like that. That's gonna go like that. Oh, this is pretty cool. I gotta be honest. This is neat. Even though it's kind of like dummy proof. It's pretty neat. So that's how it's gonna go. Those are your batteries. Forget about the most important thing. This is a cool ass little case, I'll be honest with you. Excuse my language. Black on black, dog, we get it murdered out. We get it murdered out, kid. Oh, this is look at this. Oh, you so cute, so cute. You cute. I love him and hug him and squeeze him and call him George. Oh, this is looking sweet though. No kidding, no lies. Okay, this is the first. Got nose grease on that bitch. Okay, do like this. Do like this. Bam. Oh, so far the ergonomics, very nice. Very, very nice. It's got the little thing right there for the what do you call it? Powering on and off. Press the power button once, and then we know this because we've already had one. Before first use, fully charge the battery to activate it. Gotcha. Oops. I don't know if I'm the only one that puts the stickers back on the box, but I just like doing that even though this motherfucker ripped off. Another sticker right here. That's for the gimbal cover or whatever. Oh, we got a little... We got stickers all over this Mavic Air. I guess that's it. Oh, we got... Okay. Unfold the landing gears before flight. Yes, Captain. That's what we're gonna do. Unfold the front arms forward. That's number 2. Unfold the rear arms downward. That's 1. Look at it. Bam. Bam. Didn't break it. Mavic. 2 extra sets of propellers. Now, here are the joysticks and some other thingamajig. Unfold the antennas, mobile device. Got it. Got it. Got it. We got it. Now they said, yep, no, shit. Oh yeah, there they are. Okay, so you open this up and it's already got some joysticks in here. I guess you screw them in. These are metal. These are machined metal. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's good. It's all good. It's good. Got some more little plasticness. Mavic Air. Battery. Gimbal, whatever. Gimbal cover. Props. 2 extra props. Extra set of joysticks. A little thing in the joysticks. This wire thing. These 2 other things. But it's got the thing here for the iPhone. So I got the iPhone, so I don't need these things. I'm iPhone, dog. That's how I do it. And then this thing looks important. Don't know what it is. But this is probably just to charge 1 battery. Yeah, this goes to here just so you can charge 1 battery through there. So whatever. Fuck. Battery station. I'm going to take this battery out, push it back, pop it out, and the charging station, which is pretty cool. Folds down, pretty nice. Boom. You do like that, you got your batteries charging, which is what I'm going to do. That's the unboxing. Cool little case. It's got 3 sections for your extra batteries, so it can go 4 batteries total. Probably going to buy a couple more. Got a little thing there, a little thing there with a little thing separating thing with the zipper thing. No, wait, a zipper? Oh, no. Yeah, the zipper. You can put 2 grams right there, nobody knows shit. Hey, just kidding. But no, you can put your instructions there in case you ever get confused. You put your instructions right there. That's what it's for. That's pretty much it. A little carrying case. You know, we keep the tags on where I come from because that's what we do. And that's the unboxing, guys. I'm going to charge everything up, take it for a test flight. If it's a piece of shit and I don't like it, I'll tell you.